Hey guys, it's just another day of me creating dreadlock extensions as you've seen me done in the past. These are extensions that will be installed at a later date on my client's head. My client already has hair, so that hair will also be instant locked on the day of the installation, and these added for extra length. So guys, if you're interested in having this done, you know what to do. Send me a message. I'll be more than happy to speak with you about how to get your dreadlock extensions custom made for installation.
But we did find it challenging.
You know I got it locked, so please subscribe and turn your notification on.